All right, so this is video 3. We're on page 9. So we're finally looking at what level 3s look like. Now, this is not hard, but you do have to be patient, okay? So let's get started. All right, so level 3 is where we find the surface area without the net. So without the flat two-dimensional version of the shape. So what we're going to do is find the area of the shapes you can see, okay? So we have this shape right here, which is 5 by 8. So it's 5 by 8. So we're going to do 5 times 8 to find the area of the shape. 5 times 8 is 40 inches squared. Okay. Now this shape is going to be mirrored on the other side. So to mirror means it's going to be the same on the other side. So the shape is also over here on this side right here. I'm going to erase this so you can see. So we're looking at this. All right, that's the same shape. So we have 40 there, 40 there. So I'm going to put 40 in blue. So 40 here, and then we have 40 here. So that's the area of those two shapes. I'm going to erase as I go because I think it's confusing otherwise. So I have two 40s. I'm going to put it up here. So 40 plus 40. That's two faces taken care of. Now let's do the other side here. We're going to look at this guy and this guy. All right, so remember that 40 is the area of this shape right here. So I'm going to move it over. I apologize if you're writing things with permanent things and I'm erasing them. You can leave them there. I'm just moving them for clarity's sake. All right, so we know that the width is 6 inches. And over here it tells us the height is 5 inches. So we're going to do 6 times 5 to find the area of this. So it's going to be 6 times 5, which equals 30 inches squared. So this is 30 inches squared, and this is 30 inches squared. Now the last piece is we need to do the top and the bottom. So the top and the bottom. Now it doesn't give us any numbers on the top, but it does give us numbers on the bottom. Wait a minute. So these are actually the same size, it looks like, as those these guys right here. So we don't even have to find the area again, unless you want to. So it's 8 by 6, so 8, no, that's not right. They're not the same size, I'm sorry. I did this beforehand and whatever. Anyway, so it's going to be 8 by 6, because look, we have 6 and 8. So do this down here. 8 times 6 equals 48. Okay. So we have 48. No, you can't see that. Dang it. So we got 48, 48. So we have 40, 40, 30, 30, and 48, 48. So how many faces should we have? Let's take a jog down memory lane. How many faces does a rectangular prism have? Let's go look. It has 6 faces. So do we have 6 measurements for the area? Yes, we do. 40-40, 48-48, and 30-30. So 40-40 is 80. 48-48 is 96. 30-30 is 60. We add all those together. 80 plus 96 plus 60. And we get 236 inches squared. I apologize deeply that this is a mess, but it's just a messy thing. If you find a way to make it not messy, please let me know. All right. Number 7. This one's a little easier. We have less faces to work with. And it's a little easier to see all the sides. All right. So let's first find our triangles. We got 2 triangles here. And they are going to be the same. So it looks like the base of the triangle is 8 and the height is 6. So we're going to do 8 times 6, which is 48. So we already have 48. So we'll put 48 here, 48 here. Now we're going to find the measurement of this rectangle. So that looks like it's a height of 6 and a width of 12. So 12 times 6 is 72. And there's just one of those, so it's just 72 by itself. And then last but not least, we have those 2, the top and bottom. So we have the top here. And then we have the bottom. Okay, those are going to be the same shape. The same size. So it looks like those have a length of 8 and a width of 12. So we're going to do 8 times 12. 8 times 12, which equals 96. Is that right? 8 times 12. 96, indeed. And then we have 2 of those, so it's 96 plus 96. All right, so we have, count up your faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we have 5 numbers over here? Yes, we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to add all those up. So 48 plus 48. Wait a minute. You know what? I forgot to divide the rectangle. Looky here. So I did 8 times 6, but I forgot to divide by 2, so this should be 24. Apologies. I would do this video again, but it's so long, so I can't. So it's just 48. So these were 24. Okay. All right, so we have 5 numbers still. So we're going to add all those up. So 72 stays the same. 96 plus 96 is 192. I'm going to add all these up down here because I'm running out of room. 48 plus 72 plus 192 equals 312 centimeters squared. That is the surface area. All right, so I want you guys to try to, you can do number 8. You for real can. Number 9 is a little trickier, but you can also do it. The rest of these are so easy. 12 you might have trouble with. And if you do, I'll help you. But try a couple of these out, okay? Good luck to you. Goodbye.